There is a lot of noise that has been going on the internet, especially when it comes to AI stuff. And as a common person, a person who doesn't have tech experience, like not a guru, or maybe a person who is just interested in AI stuff and also just learning about the whole thing, I find it so interesting, and I want to share with you this new Chinese company that has been actually puzzling a lot of people, especially the few recent weeks or maybe days. Now, there is this company called DeepSeek AI. It's almost similar to ChatGPT, but this one is very much bigger than that. And I'm going to be actually sharing with you what I've learned and also the pros, the cons, and are we safe? I'm so curious, but at the same time, it is freaking terrifying, because let me tell you, if these big companies start fighting and they are actually AI, okay, artificial intelligence, when they become too much powerful, who's gonna be controlling them if they just pop up, especially for common people like us, like me and you? Of course, I know most of you are better than me, but for common person like me, who doesn't know about coding, who doesn't know about a lot of stuff like tech stuff, what will happen? I don't know. I just feel like there's so much we need to talk, and we're gonna be diving in. Let me introduce you to you guys this new, it's not a new thing, but it just like it is a new, of course it was launched in 2023, like DeepSeek AI. It was launched in 2023. It is a Chinese based company, and it has been actually, I have tested already. We're gonna test here together, me and you, so that you can see just the speed is wow, something else. Is it better than ChatGPT? I have to say, yeah. The way it looks like, it's scary. Let's dive in and see, and I'm gonna share my screen to see what I'm talking about, and I'm gonna reveal to you their aim. What are they about? What is behind this Chinese company, and what are they trying to do? What can we be like, what can we expect? Or maybe as common people who uses internet and also who want to achieve passive income online, what can we do? Like, can we get prepared or scared? Let's dive in, guys. Come with me. I'm gonna be sharing my screen with you so that I can show you Deep AI. The interface, it's almost similar to ChatGPT, but this one, when it comes to speed and answering, I have tested it with the same prompt, the same way I used in ChatGPT, and I have to say, guys, I give this one a big thumbs up, but I'm also scared because I asked it exactly. I wanted to know what is DeepSeek AI, and the answers that it gave me, it shocked me. Let me read. Before we go, let me read what it says. What DeepSeek is. Okay, so I asked it what is exactly DeepSeek AI, and it says DeepSeek AI, officially known as DeepSeek Artificial Intelligence Limited or Company, is a Chinese company founded in 2023. Their mission: to make AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, a reality. Okay, now if you are wondering what AGI is, it is basically the next big leap in AI. Unlike the AI we use today, like Siri, like ChatGPT, or self-driving cars, which are designed to specific tasks, AGI aims to be as smart as human. As smart as human? What the hell is this? It can think? Wait a minute. You see what? I ask it what is this, and it tells me it can think, like the DeepSeek AI. It can think, it can learn, it can adapt to any situation, just like we do. Now, this is how it gets me confusing a little bit. DeepSeek is one of the companies trying to crack this incredible complex puzzle. So DeepSeek AI is one of the companies that they are actually trying to puzzle, or maybe to crack this puzzle about AI being just the same as human beings. And who is behind, like who is behind all this? When they become too much powerful, who's going to be controlling all this? I went ahead and asked it what's the goal, or maybe what is the aim of DeepSeek AI? And I was shocked what he told me. It says DeepSeek's ultimate goal is to create AGI that can benefit humanity. Imagine an AI that can solve global problems like climate change, cure diseases, or even help us explore the space. This is very scary, guys. Now, that's the kind of future DeepSeek is working towards. They are focusing on developing advanced algorithms, improving machine learning models, and creating systems that can generalize knowledge across different domains. In short, they want to build an AI that doesn't just follow instruction, but actually understands the world. And who are they? Now, I went ahead and told it, can you give me the pros and cons of this DeepSeek AI? And let me tell you, it says, let's talk about the pros of DeepSeek mission. First, the potential benefit of AGI are enormous. If DeepSeek succeed, it could revolutionize industries like healthcare, education, and science. For example, AGI could analyze medical data to find cures of diseases, personalize education for students, or even help us discover new energy sources. The possibilities are endless. Now, second, it says DeepSeek is contributing to the global AI race, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Their research could lead to breakthrough that benefit everyone, not just one country or a company. This is very serious. And third, AGI could take over repetitive or maybe dangerous tasks, freeing up humans to focus on creative and meaningful work. Imagine a world where AI handles the boring stuff and we get to pursue our passion. Sounds pretty good? Yeah. This is scary, guys. Now, I asked it about the cons and it says, but of course there are some cons, risk to consider. First, AGI is still theoretical concept and we don't know if it is even possible to achieve. Now, DeepSeek and other companies are essentially trying to build something that no one has ever done before. It is like trying to invent a spare ship before we have even built a car. Now, second, there are major ethical concerns, of course. If AGI becomes smarter than humans, who controls it? That was my question also. Who can control these things? Now, what happens if it is used for wrong purposes, like warfare or surveillance? These are huge questions that don't have easy answers. And third, the development of AGI could lead to job displacement on a massive scale. If AI can do almost any job better than humans, what happens to the workforce? There are serious challenges that need to be addressed as we move forward with AI. This is what the answers that I was given by DeepSeek itself. And I found that joining or maybe opening an account with DeepSeek is so easier. If you have Google account, just open through Google account, or if you have your email, you can do what you can use it. It's so easier. It didn't give me a lot of headache actually opening it. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to introduce to you this new thing. I want you to actually test it, try it if you haven't tried. If you have tried DeepSeek AI, tell me in the comment section what feature do you find it interesting, and what are your thoughts about this thing about AI and ChatGPT, OpenAI and DeepSeek, this Chinese company. I think we're gonna be in a very serious race when it comes to AI stuff or AI softwares, and we have to be very careful how we use it. Of course, there are so many concerns and also very serious issues, questions that need to be answered. So let's just keep updated, guys. This was a very interesting, very short video I wanted to do with you guys, and I'll see you next. And if I found more ways to actually benefit from any of this AI stuff, we're gonna be discussing here on my channel. Of course, we are common people reacting to AI stuff, and we are not in any way saying that we are perfect. We are not tech gurus or gurus. We are not AI experts, but as a person, I want to say thank you so much for actually having time with me and actually joining me on this video, and let's explore more AI softwares or maybe AI apps so that we can actually learn together, benefit together, and grow together. Until next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye bye.